Nezuko and Tanjiro. Nice. Rengoku. Rengoku? I don't know who all of these are, but they're cool. Not sure who this one is. This one, I'm not sure who either. Oh, this one's the snake. Hashira. Water Hashira. Oh, I love that. And this one. Really cool designs. Zenitsu. They don't have a Inosuke one. Just looking. Looks like another Rengoku. And this Kanroji. All right, and each of these has, let's open one up. Each of these, oops, I already lost one of the earring back holes. So each of these has this type of earring and a plastic earring holder. You could get hardier ones if you want, but these were relatively inexpensive, but they're still cool. And we're going to a con next week, so it should be fun. Have a lot of choices of earrings to wear. Overall, I think for the price, it's a good value. We got a ton of earrings, although, look, this one fell off too. The earring backing, I'd probably upgrade the earring backings to a more substantial one, but it's just fun. And you get a lot of them for the price. So I liked getting the value pack of earrings. There's a ton of them in here. So lots of choices. Overall, I would recommend, but I think me personally, I'm gonna get some more substantial earring backings for the earrings.